let's go from one of your first swings on the right and now on the left. So as you go to the top, the idea is that we need a shallower top that doesn't have as much hinge, basically trying not to hinge the wrist at all. Right there's the finished product at the top on one of the really good ones, and then here's the same, the same top of swing from about a week and a half ago, I believe, on the 6th. Yeah, there's the club. Whoops. There's the club on the right, pretty far across the line. Obviously, you see a big difference on the left side. Now let's see what the downswing looks like from there. What you'll notice is that those two angles, and if we sync it up, that'd be probably the best thing. Impact. And let's right at impact. Let me back it up. Let's look at those two angles. Here we're at 48. There the shaft coming in around 40. So you've steepened the downswing, which was our original goal. Is you need a steeper, more compressed swing, so the club is coming at more of a downward angle on this side. And we'll go a little further. There's where you start to see it happen quite a bit more. There the club is out in front of you nicely, and there the shaft is too far behind you, swinging from the inside. That's when you'll hit up on the shot, you'll hit it thin, you'll block it to the right, and then you'll snap it back to the left if you're hooking it too, or if you're hooking it instead of slicing it, or blocking, excuse me. So there's impact that's more compressed, and then I believe that I said this in your first lesson, your movement left with the handle is just unreal. It's so good. The club is exiting on such a, what I would call a very parallel or on plane position. Look at how parallel all those lines are. And then watch your exit point. Impact, exit, totally on plane. Your swing is so close to neutral right now. It's unbelievable. That's really strong. I'm hoping that you're hitting the ball pretty well. You should be. Now we'll go from the front view, and I just wanted to show you that this is also a very successful position that I don't believe you have any work to do from this position right here. I want you to notice how stable the head and the hips are in those kind of brackets that I've drawn. I mean, that's as quiet and that's the best body turn I've seen so far this year. That is very stable, very balanced, and you got as much as you're trying to not hinge, you got all kinds of angles. So that's another thing to kind of keep in mind. And then here's the downswing. There you'll go right through the hip line. Club's coming down on top of the ball, and you got a great looking motion right now.